Don't you dislike this? Or how about this? Dislike it. So here's how we're gonna fix this. You see, LCI outer tail lights have many LEDs. As a matter of fact, each one of these squares is a single LED and is composed of 15 LEDs altogether. Now, LCI tail lights on an E90 models have been problematic and a common issue due to the tail lights internal wiring that cannot be serviced or repaired without changing the whole assembly. So I decided to contact FCP Euro. That way I could take advantage of the lifetime replacement warranty for the outer tail lights. That way I'll know if something is wrong with the tail lights, I'll be covered for sure. So I went to a website and I ended up getting this big box over here. Originally, I thought it was gonna be just a little piece, since in their website it's being advertised as the BMW outer tail light repair kit. But it looks like we have the whole outer tail light. So now we're gonna open it up and get to the installation. Wow, nice. Oh look, it looks like we got everything over here. Let's open this up. Comes with the bulbs, just ready to install. Here we have the other tail lights. Nice. Now let's get to the installation. In order to replace this tail light, we need to go inside the trunk. So let's open up the trunk, and then you actually come in here, take this cover out, grab your two fingers, do it from this side, open it up, then grab an 8mm deep socket wrench. Then what you do with the 8mm socket is you're gonna go ahead and unscrew 1, 2, and 3. Now let's get to unscrew that up. For this last one, the up here is a weird angle, so what you need to do is go up into this piece right here, and all you gotta do is use a screwdriver or a pry tool and take that out. And that comes out. And then what you want is you pull this out a little bit and expose that screw. That way it's a lot easier for you to get that piece out. It's truly simple. This is out. Put a little bit like up to here. Then squeeze this tab right here and just pull out. And it's out. Now go ahead and clean it up. That way once you put your new tail light, everything's clean. Now grab your tail light, plug in your connector, make sure you hit the click and that is all the way in. Also make sure that this plastic goes through here. And go ahead and screw the screws a little bit on the other side. Once you have the tail light in, it has a little bit of wiggle room, so make sure just tighten it up a little bit and make sure that your lines are straight. Once you're in here, put your screws. Once you hand tighten them, all 3 screws, all you need to do is use your 2 hands, place this correctly in the center, that way you have the right gap. Hold it with the left hand, and then with your right hand just keep screwing all the way until you tighten the 3 screws. Now go ahead and fix your rubber piece over here. Tuck this back in. Place your cover. Put this back on. Put your rubber piece. This you want it to be back here in the back of this metal. Make sure that it's pushed all the way back. For this other side, you need to remove your battery cover over here. Take that out. And there you will have the exposure for the light. Same thing. This side is a little bit easier. Go ahead and tackle those 3 bolts. On this one, you have just a little bit more room for the upper bolt, so you maybe just get away by putting it in an angle, squeezing through there. Go ahead and take the bolts out. Now that you have taken the 3 screws out, go ahead and wiggle that out of there. And once again, just press right here and take this out. Be patient, because it could be years and years of it being there. It's out. Go ahead and clean it up. Go ahead and take out the other light. Plug that in there. Make sure it's all the way in. Again, go ahead and take your screws. Place one hand in here while you work, and screw the screws on the inside one by one. Untie them first. Once again, check your gap. Make sure that your rubber piece is over this plate. That way when it rains, it doesn't cover. Go ahead and put your rubber piece in there. Again, make sure it's behind this piece of metal over here. Put it all the way back. That helps when it rains. So put that there. So $130 later got me 2 outer tail lights in comparison to $250 that the dealer wanted to get per tail light. That means that would have been $500. I only paid $130, which means that was a savings of $370 if I would have bought them at the dealer. Now, these type of tail lights are only for 2009, 2010, 2011, 335s, 328s, and M3s, and all the variants, which are the I's, the X drives, and the diesels. And so, ladies and gents, that concludes our video for today. If you like the content of this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more automotive tips, tricks, DIYs, and N54 content. So then, thank you for watching. See you on the next.